Good evening children. Today I am going to start exponents and power. पावर शुरू करने जा रहे हैं. एक्चुअल में ये क्लास 7 और 8 के बच्चों के लिए है. एक्चुअल में इट इज़ फॉर क्लास 7 and 8 स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट, बट इट इज़ यूजफुल फॉर सीनियर सेक्शन ऑल्सो. सीनियर स्टूडेंट भी इससे अपने यूज़ की चीज़ों को वो ले सकते हैं. इसलिए एक्सपोनेंट और पावर बेसिक थिंग है मैथमेटिक्स का. जस्ट इट इज़ बेसिक ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. ऑलवेज इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर कैलकुलेशन. एंड नाउ आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर 7 और 8 स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट. एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर. इफ एक्स एंड वाई आर नॉन जीरो rational numbers, if x and y are non-zero rational numbers and m and n be any integers, then there are some laws for power and exponents and power. What is that law that I am explaining with example and some important question also. Your first number is x to the power m into x to the power n is equal x to the power m plus n. Already I have supposed x and y are non-zero rational number. X and y are two non-zero rational numbers and m and n are integers. Then first law is x to the power m into x to the power n is equal x to the power m plus n. Second law is x to the power m by x to the power n is equal, we can write x to the power m and n going up as minus. X to the power m by x to the power n is equal x to the power m minus n. Okay. Now third law is xy to the power m, any integer, xy for any rational number, xy to the power m is equal, we can write x to the power m x to the power m into y to the power n. M. X to the power m into x to the power n. Can write x to the power m, y to the power m. Now, fourth law is x to the power m whole to the power n is equal x to the power all powers, just like x to the power m whole to the power n whole to the power any other integer, then all will multiply x to the power mn, x to the power mn, or we can write x to the power this n, there can interchange that place, x to the power n to the power m. Like this also we can represent. And now my fifth law is x to the x by y. Fifth law is x by y to the power m is equal x to the power m by y to the power m. X to the power m by y to the power m. Now ये बेसिक थिंग यूजफुल है सीनियर सेक्शन के बच्चों के लिए भी. इसी से आज मैं ये टॉपिक अटेम्प्ट की हूँ. नाउ एग्जाम्पल. फर्स्ट लॉ को एग्जाम्पल. x to the power m into x to the power n is equal x to the power m plus n. Already I have supposed x is any rational number. Suppose 2, 3, 4 also a rational number. Suppose I am taking 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. Bases are same. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. Both bases are same, only their powers are different. And multiplication, then 2 to the power 3 plus 4. It is 2 to the power 7. It is 2 to the power 7. Now second law. X to the power m by x to the power n. Again bases are same, only powers are different. So suppose 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 is equal 2 to the power 3 and 1 is going up with minus symbol. It is 2 to the power 2 is equal 4. Now third law. Third law is suppose 3 into 2 to the power small digit I am taking 3 into 2 to the power 2 is equal x to the power m into y to the power m, individual both rational number raised. It is 3 power 2 into 3 into 2 whole square, power is 2, xy whole to the power m, m is 2, then individual x to the power m into y to the power m, there I will write 3 square into 2 square is equal, now simple multiplication, 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4 and 9 4s are 36, like this. And now full number property, suppose example is 2 to the power 3 to the power 4, then it can write 2 to the power 3 into 4 is equal 2 to the power 4 3s are 12. That can write 2 to the power 4 into 3 is equal 2 to the power 4 into 3. Now any way you can use x to the power m to the power n, write like this, otherwise like this also we can use. According to my question steps we can use like this. Now fifth number is x by y to the power m. Suppose 2 by 3 to the power m, then it can write 2 to the power m means suppose one example 2, digit is 2. Then 2 to the power 2 by 3 to the power 2, it can write 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Yes, very important thing is any number power 0 is always equal to 1. X to the power 0 is equal 1. Any number you can take, 8a to the power 0 is equal 1. 2x plus 5 whole to the power 0 is equal 1. Like this we can write power 0, that means is 1. Now negative integral exponent. Now I am explaining about negative integral exponent. Negative integral, they are given if x and y are non-zero rational number and m and n are any integers. It may be positive and negative. Just like 10 to the power minus 1 is equal 1 by 10 is equal 1 by 10. 10 to the power minus 2, that means 1 by 10 to the power 2 coming down is a square, that can write 1 by 100. Like this negative integer. Just like 3 to the power minus 4, that can write 1 by 3 to the power 4 and then calculate it 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times multiplication we can do. It is negative integer. In this way we can explain if p by q, that is in the form of rational number, p by q rational number, all are understanding. P by the rational number is of the form of p by q, where p is any integer and q not equal to 0. P and q are any integer, but condition is q never equal to 0. Then p by q whole to the power n, p by q whole to the power n, it can write 1 by p by q whole to the power p by q minus 1. Sorry, p by q minus n is equal 1 by p by q to the power n is equal, q is going up, q by p to the power n, to the power minus n is equal q by p to the power n. In this way we can say, in this way we can write x to the power minus n is equal 1 by x to the power n. It is a formula for any rational number, and we can say x to the power minus n, this one, is reciprocal of x to the power n, and x to the power n is reciprocal of x to the power minus n. Understood? Now I am going to explain some question related with exponents and power. Now I am going to explain some question how to solve step by step the related question of exponent and power. There are written 4 questions. I will explain from easiest to difficult question. 2 more questions I will explain. There are 4 I have written, and first number is, try to understand all of you. First number is 3y, easiest question here. 3y minus 7 whole to the power minus 3. 3 by minus 7 whole to the power minus 3 is equal 1 by, as minus is there, that's why 1 by 3 by minus 7 whole to the power 3, whole to the power 3, and coming down it is positive, whole to the power 3, and now we can write it, 1 by 3 by minus 7, there it line, whole to the power 3. 3 is there. That can write minus 7 going up because there is division, minus 7 by 3 whole to the power 3. Whole to the power 3. Now 3 times multiplication, minus 7 by 3 into minus 7 by 3 into minus 7 by 3. 3 times multiplication of minus is minus. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Minus 343. Now 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 is your answer. Is it answer? Like this, step by step you can solve this question. And similarly, now going to some difficult one. Trying second number question is 7 to the power minus 1 minus 8 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 minus bracket, big bracket, 3 power minus 1 minus 4 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Going to explain it, is equal minus 1, 7 reciprocal of 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8 to the power minus 1 minus 3 power minus 1, again it is 3 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1. And now simple subtraction of fraction, LCM of 8 and 7 is 56, and there 8 minus 7 minus LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 4 minus 3 to the power, there minus 1, there also minus 1, is equal 8 minus 7, 1 by 56 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 12 to the power minus 1 is equal, now 1 by 56 whole to the power minus 1 Again it is 1 by 56 to the power 1 to the power 1, or not need to write, minus 1 by 12 is equal 56 going up, 56 minus 12. Now 6 minus 2 is 4 and 5 minus 1 is 44. All steps are like this. Answer is 44. In this way I hope you understand which step by step I have written. इस क्वेश्चन के जरिए तुम दूसरे क्वेश्चंस को भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. Now I am trying to second number question. The written third number is first I am writing question is 4 square minus 3 square into 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 3 is 3 number. 4 square, it means 4 4s are 16. 3 square, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Into 1 by 3 by 4 to the power 3. Coming down, it is a positive. Is equal 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is equal 7. 7 into, now 4 is up, numerator by denominator whole to the power 3 is equal 7 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3 into 4 by 3. Power is 3, so 3 times multiplication. Now multiplication of all 7 into 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So 7 into 64 divided by 3 3s are 9. There is a 3, 4 by 3, 3 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 is equal 7 into 64 is 448 divided by 27 is the solution. I hope you understand this question. Now fourth number. I am going to explain fourth number. Fourth number question. Try to understand, all of you. Once read the question. What is given? This language problem. By what number should minus 6 to the power minus 1 be multiplied to get the product 15 to the power minus 1? By what number should multiplied minus 6 to the power minus 1? Let number is x. Suppose let x number is multiplied by minus 6 to the power minus 1. Suppose x number is multiplied by minus 6 to the power minus 1 to get the number 15 to the power minus 1. It is x into minus 6 to the power minus 1 is equal 15 to the power minus 1. Now your equation is like this by taking supposition x into minus 6 to the power minus 1 is equal 15 to the power minus 1. Now we have to find x value in equation. X is variable, rest all are constant. So x first we will convert in positive power. 1 by minus 6 is equal 1 by 15. Then cross multiplication as your general rule implies x is equal minus 6 divided by 15. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. minus 2 by 5. X is equal minus 2 by 5. Understood? Okay. Fifth number solution going to explain. Try to understand all of you. Question is 4 to the power minus 1 minus 5 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 1 is equal. Now 4 to the power minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 divided by 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 is equal. Now subtraction, LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 5 minus 4 divided by 1 by 3 is equal 1 by 20, and as there is division symbol, so by putting multiplication we will write reciprocal 3 by 1. So 3 by 20 is answer. 3 by 20 is answer. Now second question. 6th number. 3 by 4 whole square minus 1 middle bracket is minus 1 and then capital bracket, that means there are 3 brackets. They are given 3 to the power 4 whole square. Once again their power is minus 1 and once again the power is 3. Then their solution with the help of formula x to the power m to the power n to the power any number, that means x to the power multiple of all power. Like that I will explain here. 3 to the power 4, power 2, power minus 1, power 3, that all will multiply 2 into minus 1 into 3. Direct with the help of formula. Then 3 by 4, 3 to the 6 is minus 6. After this you can write 4 by 3 reciprocal and then whole to the power 6. Okay. Now last question is of your exercise. Last question is find the value of m if minus 5 whole to the power m minus 1 divided by minus 5 whole to the power 2 is equal minus 5 whole to the power minus 6. Then find out value of m. Then minus 5 whole to the power m value we have to find. So always put in left side. इसकी जगह चेंज नहीं करेंगे, ये लेफ्ट साइड में ही रहेगा. And divided by minus 5 to the power 2, that means divided minus 5 to the power 2 is equal minus 5 to the power minus 6. Minus 5 to the power minus 6. Now bases are same. Bases are same. That means x to the power m by x to the power n, like this. X to the power m by x to the power n is equal x to the power m minus n. This formula we will use here. Base are same. So minus 5 whole to the power m minus 1 minus 2 is equal minus 5 to the power minus 6. Now bases same, only powers are different. So equating both power. Equating both power, just like x to the power m